to you. Once again, it's another rap bandit, feeding an eye, and I can't stand it. Wanna be down with the day glow, knocking on my door saying, hey yo yo. Knocking on my door saying, hey yo yo, I got a funky new tune with a fly banjo. I can't understand what the problem is. I find it hard enough dealing with my own biz. How'd they get my name and number? Then I stop and think and wonder about a plan. Yo man, I gotta step outside. You wanna call me up? Take my number down. It's 2222222. I got an answer machine that can talk to you. It goes,
hey, how you doing? Sorry I can't get through, but leave your name and your number, and I'll get back to you. Yo, check it, exit the old style, enters the new, but nothing's new by being punked by few. Or should I say a flock, cause around every block there's Harry, Dick, and Tom with a demo in his mouth. Now I'm with helping those who want to help themselves and flaunt a nut that's doggy like a dog. But it's not the move to hear the tales of limousines and pails of money they'll make like a pro. I be like, yo, black disclaimer to tape. Well, I to show the time to spare, I just make. But the songs created in they shacks so whack situations like this. I now hate to give me smiles, Kool-Aid by the ass. And with the straightest face, I be like, hell yes, listen, this is a